So today we'll be cooking rice with green grams. As you can see, that's my rice. I almost forgot that I had to record. So my rice is already ready, and I went ahead to put my potato, which I added jeera and salt and a little bit of water so that it can cook. You should not put more water, you should just put a little bit of water. If you put more water, it will end up being smushy. So I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. So here, this is what I'll be using to cook my green grams. Here we have sliced onions. Here we have our sliced tomato, which I've sliced it into two so that it can be easier to blend. We have our capsicum, we have our coriander, and also we have our garlic. Oops, one of my tomato has fallen down, but no worries. So I've gone ahead to look at my potato if it's cooked, and it was cooked. So I removed it from the gas and I placed my milk. In my milk I've put ginger and cinnamon. Yeah, so here is my green grams. I used Jiko to cook my green grams, so since it takes approximately 40 minutes to cook, so here is my tea. It's already ready, so I'm going ahead to remove it and proceed to other things. So here is my ingredient which I'll be using to cook my viazi, that's wheat flour. This is my container which I'll be using to mix. This is my food color, orange food color, but it's too orange as you can see. And that's my salt, and back there is my potatoes. They are already cooked. And so I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to put my flour inside the container. The flour was quarter of it, it was quarter. This is a 1 kg flour, but the one I've put inside, it's quarter of the 1 kg. Yeah, so I'm gonna add my food color. As you can see, the food color, it's too orange. I prefer that arrow guy, that orange yellow, and I prefer the orange yellow one, since you can just put a little bit of it and it will be yellow. So here I'm continuing in adding salt. As you can see, yes, I was saying I prefer the other one. This one, when you put a little bit, it becomes peach. Imagine your viazi being peach. So this one is not a good food color. So if you go to buy food color, you should ask for the yellow, egg yellow one. So this is my onions. As you can see, it has started to turn golden brown, and I'm gonna add my mixture of garlic, capsicum, coriander, and tomato inside it. Yeah, so blending makes it easier. Cutting it into cubes, it will leave some tomato. So here is my green grams. It has already cooked, so I'm gonna place it inside my sufuria and I'm gonna stir it so that it can mix. As I was saying, I prefer blending all your ingredients so that it can just look nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna add salt before I forget. And when we talk about salt, you should not add more salt. More salt on green grams, there's no going back unless you wash it, because if you add water, it will still be the same. So never make that mistake. So I'm gonna cover it so that it can boil well. Here is my oil. I'm preheating it, and I'm back to where I was mixing my flour. You should mix it until it's soft. So as I was asking, can one use a hand mixer to mix it, because this usually take long. It's tiring or it's tiresome. Yeah, I prefer hand mixer. I think on my next video I'll try to use hand mixer to see if it will mix faster. So I'm adding water since the mixture it's a little bit heavier. It should not be heavier. Yeah, it is, at least it's okay. As you can see, I'm going to put my viazi, my potato inside it. Yeah, as you can see, my oil has heated very well, so I'm continuing to add it, as you can see, one by one. Yeah, so as I was asking, what was I asking? Yeah, so as I was asking, which which oil is good for cooking viazi karai? I don't know. I think cholesterol free. Me, as for now, I'm just trying to be healthy. Anything healthy, I'm traveling with it to where I'll board the train, I'll board the aeroplane. I don't know where it will take me, but I'm gonna board it. Anything that will keep me healthier, I'm gonna board it to where it will take me. I don't know. I don't know. I don't care where. I don't care. So yeah. So I'm continuing to add it. By the way, I wanted to add all of it, but there was no space. Plus, this one is a boiled potato, so it will look weird. I usually prefer the other potato, but since time was not on my side, I just had to boil the potato. I prefer the other potato, the raw one. It's usually sweet. This one usually have a. They're both sweet, but it will depend with you. So you should do the math. You should test the raw one and this boiled one, and you know the difference on your own. I don't want to say something. Maybe you prefer the boiled one. Yeah. So as you can see, it's cooking, and the color, though the color is too orange, but it's okay. Here in Nairobi, we are used to the orange one, so it's nothing new. But as for me, I prefer the egg. I looked for the egg one, the egg yellow one, but I couldn't find it. So yeah, as you can see, my pojo is ready. My pojo is ready, and time for iftar is also ready. So I'm multitasking. I was multitasking. It's good to have a backup option so that you can be multitasking. Yeah. So we are going back to our potato. So I've removed the jiko outside since it's hot. Nairobi now it's super hot. Yeah, the sun is sunning. The sun is sunning. Yeah, so I'm removing my potatoes. As you can see, they look yummy though. Not only they look yummy, let me tell you, they taste yummy. You know, one secret about viazi, you can just cook viazi anyhowly, but the main character it's how you gonna cook the chili. How you gonna cook the chili. That one is the main character here. You can cook it the way you want it. You can just boil it and add pilipili, ukwaju, and it will be okay. The chili is everything in viazi. That's a secret I'm telling you. That's a secret I'm telling you. So I'm continuing to remove them. Hey, they were too many and I wanted to put them all at once to make it easier. So these are my donuts, as you can see. These are my cinnamon, which I cooked yesterday, and the one that left, so we had to eat today. And this one is my potatoes, and also this one is my chili. As you can see, it's yummy. It has lemon in it,